I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Bring 1.5 L water or light chicken stock to a rolling simmer. Add smashed lemongrass, torn kaffir lime leaves, and sliced galangal for aromatic depth. Toss in shrimp shells or heads so the broth gains immediate sweetness and body. Simmer 8 to 10 minutes to extract flavor. Stir once or twice, skim foam quickly, and make sure to keep a gentle simmer. High boil will cloud the broth. Once done, strain if needed, and reserve liquid for the next phase. You now concentrate flavors. Return the strained broth to medium-low heat and add sliced chilies for heat. You control intensity by quantity. Season with 2 tablespoons fish sauce and start with 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, adjusting later to balance salty, sour, and spicy. Add mushrooms so they release earthiness, then add peeled shrimp near the end so they cook quickly. Overcooking makes them rubbery. Once done, taste, adjust seasoning, and keep the broth hot, but not boiling to preserve clarity and aroma. You finish by adding fresh cilantro and thinly sliced shallots for brightness. Squeeze extra lime to taste and serve immediately. If the soup tastes too sharp, stir in 1 teaspoon sugar to round it. If too bland, add small increments of fish sauce and retaste. Make sure shrimp are just opaque, that tells you doneness. If the broth turned cloudy, lower heat, skim surface foam, and strain through a fine sieve. This restores clarity without sacrificing flavor. Serve hot and enjoy balanced Tom Yum Goong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.